The hydroNO system will prevent flooding your home. The water will be closed automatically, and information about the alarm will reach your mobile device, smartphone or tablet. The water can also be cut off using a voice command, simply speaking to Apple Siri, Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Electronic fail-safe supercapacitor technology supports Formula One cars when overtaking. This is when additional energy is needed to win. In your smart home, you need to use a hydroNO top-class water valve with an electronic fail-safe actuator in which the supercapacitor provides energy to cut the water and prevent flooding the house. If the hose under the sink breaks, the machine leaks, the pipe will break. You don't have much time to react. The reaction time counts in seconds, not minutes or hours. The Flood Sensor Fibaro plays a key role in the hydroNO system, which task is to inform about the flooding of the house. The sensors should be deployed throughout the house to minimize the risk of losses, which average up to 10,000 euros. Wall plug is a smart plug that provides power to the hydroNO actuator, closing and opening the water valve. Just like the flood sensor, the smart plug is controlled wirelessly based on the Z-Wave technology. When the flood sensor detects water that threatens our home, the role of the actuator will be to immediately close the water valve and save the apartment from disaster. An additional benefit of the hydroNO system is the ability to immediately cut off water in an emergency, or when someone just takes a long shower. For such a special task, you can use a wireless controller, of course blue, in the color of water. Fibaro the button. Remember that flooding an apartment is 4 times more likely than a burglary or fire. The actuator equipped with the EFS Super Power Safe system will work even in the event of a power failure at home. In this case, you can use the option of manual opening the water supply. The actuator is protected against temporary voltage decay.